Okay, so jumping into the Hordeling Dickum bed, it is the box itself, if you're looking at traveling or whatever, shipping, 64 inches long, 10 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and we'll get into the rest of it after I get it out of the box. So it comes all sealed up, rolled. It has a cutter for this bag and then instructions right there. You got the little cutter here, and basically you just come through, you get the bed where you want it, you slide it underneath, and then just do that number right there, and then the bed just explodes out of the package, and there you go. We're going to give it I don't know, maybe 30 minutes to defluffitate and expand, and then we'll talk about it. So the bed is made for comfort. So the bed is what's considered a hybrid model type mattress with steel wrapped springs and foam. It has a cooling gel top, which is a memory foam. It has support foam layers underneath that, just to give a comfortable, long period sleep. And the 7-zone pocketed coil system allows for the entire bed to be comfortable, and it goes wall to wall from side to side. This bed has the same support system. The whole bed is CertiPUR-US standard, which means it's made with no ozone depleters, made without certain flame retardants like PBDEs, TDCCPPs, and TCEP, all of which are things that are considered to be unhealthy for long periods of time, which obviously you're hoping to sleep at least 8 hours a night on this thing, so you don't want those things. It's made without any lead, mercury, or other heavy metals, no formaldehyde, no phthalates, all of those things that we want to get out of our system because we've been flooded with it over the years. VOC emissions have been rated extremely low, which is less than 0.05 parts per million on the indoor testing scale. One of the things that's really important about everything that I just mentioned is the smell. So beds that have a lot of those chemicals in them have that, fresh plastic smell to it. This one does not. I'm standing right here, I've laid on it, and it is sniffy good. This is also a fiberglass-free bed, so when they're looking at fire retardants, that's one of the things that they do put in there a lot of times. This one does not. It is safe from fiberglass, so just another thing you avoid. Things that are awesome about it, other than what I've already mentioned, is just the pressure relief. It's a medium firm bed, right? So 45 to 55% of Americans choose a medium bed. Obviously, the softer you get, the more you're probably gonna sleep deeper, but a lot of people report that you're gonna have more pain during the day with that. And then the harder the bed is, you have a lot more pain while you're sleeping. Both of those things affect the quality of sleep and how tired you are. So possibility you may be wanting a soft bed, but the reality is maybe you want a medium. Motion isolation is really good on this bed. If you're on one side and you have a partner or a dog on the other side, you don't have to worry about them moving, waking you up. And again, touching on that temperature control idea of this bed, I have not slept the night on this bed yet, but I have laid on it quite a bit, and it is nice and cool. I like that. Just show you the underside real quick. You can see the springs. They're all separate coil springs. They go from one side to the other. Stitching on it, it's really good. Heavy stitch. And there's really nothing about this bed that I can find that I would complain about. Kind of wrapping it up, I also wanted to point out that, so there's the top of the bed, and this is the bottom. The bottom of the bed has an extra little cover on there just to protect the material. I've laid down on this thing. It's comfortable. It's medium firm for sure. Maybe slightly, in my opinion, towards the firm, but it's exactly what I want in my bed. I think it's super comfortable.